Hello and welcome to How Rich Does It. And today is May 8th, 2020, and today is the 8th day of my weight loss journey. This morning I weighed in at 222, which was 2 pounds over what it was yesterday, but that's okay. I don't let that discourage me or worry me. I already know that these things are going to happen. One day I might be up 2, I might be down 3 the following day. Usually after about 10 days is when I get pretty consistent with knowing, what total amount of weight I am actually losing, especially with that water weight that we initially all lose. Uh, let's see, taking a look at my water fast, I ended up going 46 hours yesterday with my water fast. And what I ended up doing is I had some bone broth about maybe 20 minutes after I had decided that was about it. My body was like, hey, you know, time out. Let's move on. So I did that, drank some bone broth. I waited approximately 2 hours. And during that time that I was waiting, I made myself a humongous salad. It was awesome. I just put a little bit of everything in it. The only thing that I was lacking was cucumbers, but that's okay. So I had my large salad last night and just some water. Today for lunch, I had another large salad, and for dinner a few hours ago, I had another large salad, and I had two drumsticks that were air fried. I bought an air fryer. If you guys have ever used one or you haven't, give me a comment. Let me know what your recipes are, or if you have questions about it. It's really awesome. The flavor, you would swear that it was fried in a pan, and I was always into fried chicken in my iron skillet, and it doesn't quite taste like that, but it really does taste like some fried chicken. And it's awesome, and I like using that fryer quite a bit. So that was pretty much it. It's pretty late now. It's probably going on about 10 p.m. So I will just drink some water. I'm actually, I'm not craving anything or need anything. I'm actually still really full from dinner. And that's another thing that I notice for my body. I start seeing that, every day I eat less and less. My requirements become less and less when I'm just doing it like this. Of course, it's a little different when you're working out. But that's about it. So tomorrow, I'm gonna also make a juice. So for dinner, I'll be juicing, and that will be pretty much it for tomorrow. And the following day, I will continue to finish that juice, because usually I make about a gallon at a time. Some people say, hey, you lose some of the nutrition. That is not, well, I don't want to say it's not true, but the research that I've done shows that you do not lose the nutrients of what you juice if you let it sit in the refrigerator for overnight or whatnot. But pretty much that's where I like doing it, because it's just too much of a hassle for me to juice for lunch, then make another juice for dinner. And especially, I might be wanting some in between. That way I can go ahead and take it down. And usually I do about 32 ounces of juice at a time anyway. So that will be what I'm going to be doing tomorrow and the day after. And I'll just be continuing on. We'll follow up with another water fast, and I'm sure that it will progress onto a little bit more time. Let me give you guys a cheat on water fasting. When you initially begin a water fasting, I try to do it in the morning. Now, here's why. When you do it in the morning, and let's say you want to do a 24-hour water fast, sometimes you're getting hungry, towards the evening, but you're just like, you know what, let me just go to sleep. And when I wake up, that's giving me another 6, 8, 10 hours, depending on how long you sleep, that I can go without food. So that's kind of my little cheat, because if you kind of go about noon, or if you go at it in the evening, then you wake up, and let's say you do it at about 6 p.m. Well, 24 hours would be 6 p.m. The following day. Then you eat something, and then you'll probably be hungry again before you go back to bed, and you're just kind of having to fight that. This way, you're not. You're just right when you're getting hungry, go to sleep, and you'll be good to go. And that's really pretty much, I don't really have anything else as far as updates other than my laptop. I officially got a tracking number for it today. I really just, man, it's been something that I've wanted for quite a long time, but it was pretty expensive, and I just waited for the right moment to go on ahead and make that investment in that. So I'm really excited about that. I even paid a little extra on Amazon to try to get it shipped a little quicker. Maybe I'll do an unboxing of it and let you guys check it out. I'm really excited because now I'll be able to utilize some editing software. And let me know what editing software you guys use. I have a couple of them that I've been thinking about purchasing. Both of them offer a free trial, but the free trials, they're always, some of the bells and whistles are turned off, and I just want to be able to use pretty much everything and do some online classes and training of how to do it, because I've really never done editing before. So I'm really looking forward to doing it. I should pick it up quite easy because I have a degree in computers. I taught computers, so thankfully I have that background to where it's kind of, all of it has its own, resembles one program onto the next. So I look forward to that. And hopefully tomorrow, or actually maybe even later on tonight, if I have more time, I'm going to go ahead and take those pictures. I want to do that once a week, and hopefully once I get my editing software down and everything is up and going, at the end of 30 days, I'll go ahead and post my 4 different sets of pictures that I will have once a week during the first 30 days. And I will continue to do that during the second 30 days. That's kind of where I get excited, because that's where I get to start lifting weights, and that's where I really shrink and, put on a little bit of muscle and start feeling a little bit better, more energetic, and so forth. So please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you want to join the journey. Give me some comments, some feedback. I know we want to start a group where we can all be held accountable to each other and just pump each other up, keep each other motivated. So I really am excited about that coming together over the next couple of days. And also if you know of someone else that's doing the same thing, please share my videos. I would really appreciate that. So once again, be kind to one another and be safe out there, and continue on with your journey. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.